Today the first thing we're going to do is build an outboard motor engine stand from plans we found online. We pre-cut all the pieces last week. Now we're going to do the assembly. Yeah, life would be easier if we weren't using flood-damaged lumber. Has an offset wobble screw and it works good with twisted lumber.
I don't like how this entire project's twisted.
Hey, it's for YouTube, it'll be fine.
Nice. So don't reverse, that's the trick.
Forever immortalized on YouTube.
I tried to give him a little bit of voice action, it didn't work.
Alright, let's see if this piece actually fits. Like a glove.
Like a glove as it was like wobbling all different places. You stop, right? Nope, got that right on camera.
How come I'm working by myself?
Oh, I see. You're just gonna hide the one that doesn't have the screw in it under the 2x4?
Yeah.
Alright.
We don't need that.
Structural integrity is just for visual purposes.
Yes, as long as it looks like it's gonna work, that's all that anyone on YouTube will care about. all it needs is some wheels.
Yeah, worst drill bit I've ever used. It's flat. It's broken.
Yeah, that's one of those weird things. Those taps that we got from China, those were junk. And then those two brake proportioning valves that came from China, those were both junk. Now we get offset wobble wood screws for 40 cents a piece. You know the rules here, no politics and no fiction, although I repeat myself. No, turn it over and spin it around. Do 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 do. Turn it around, you know, like there you go. There's something you don't see every day. Made in USA.